In this video, we're going to be going over how to use VEO, Google AI's video generator. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing we need to do is go to aistudio.google.com. If we haven't already, we need to log in or sign up. From here, on the left, we need to go down to the Generate Media tab. This will show all of the media generation tools that Google offers. The one that we are interested in is VEO, so I'm going to select this. In the middle is the prompt box where we will describe what we want VEO to generate or animate. On the right, we can pick the number of clips that we would like to be generated for each prompt that we enter. This goes up to 2. Underneath that, we can choose between an aspect ratio of 16:9 for horizontal video or 9:16 for vertical video. Then we can choose the duration of the video from 5 to 8 seconds. When entering a prompt, it is important to provide as much detail as possible. For example, I'm going to type, a sleek hover car speeds through a neon lit futuristic city at night in the rain, cinematic camera angles, dynamic motion, glowing reflections, and detailed rain effects. Before we hit run, in the bottom right is a negative prompt section which allows us to provide a list of things which we don't want to be included in the video. For example, I'm going to type no cartoon style, no bright daylight, no animals or logos, and no text overlays. Now I'm going to hit run. Within seconds, it has generated a video. Here is what it looks like. VEO has done an extremely good job of creating this video based on the information in the prompt that I entered. We have the option to like and dislike the video to let VEO know what we think. We can download it and export it to G Drive. VEO is also able to turn images into video. For example, I'm going to upload this image of a lion and ask, please can you animate this cartoon image of a lion? It has now turned this image into this. That's all we have for this tutorial on Google VEO. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.